Ever wondered which car engines mechanics actually love working on? While some car brands give them headaches with complicated systems and constant repairs, others make their lives a breeze, saving both time and money. In today's video, we'll uncover the engines that mechanics swear by, vehicles that are reliable, easy to work on, and surprisingly cost-effective. If you're looking to avoid unnecessary headaches, stick around and discover which engines make mechanics smile. But first, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insider tips. Toyota Tacoma and Tundra. Simple, reliable, and built to last. When you think about reliability and ease of repair, Toyota trucks are some of the best in the business. The Toyota Tacoma and Tundra, especially the older models with naturally aspirated engines, are among the most mechanic-friendly vehicles on the road. These trucks are built to last, with simple, durable parts that don't break down often. Whether it's the 4-cylinder or V6 engine, these vehicles are relatively easy to maintain, with mechanics appreciating the straightforward design and access to parts like the alternator, timing belt, and spark plugs. The older Tacoma models, particularly those built before the 2016 redesign, are incredibly simple and easy to work on. These trucks have a reputation for reliability, and that's because of their straightforward engine design. With their naturally aspirated 4-cylinder or V6 engine options, there are fewer parts to worry about, and most repairs are relatively inexpensive and easy to carry out. The 5.7-liter V8 in the Tundra is also a favorite among mechanics for its ease of access and durability. Even with high-mileage vehicles, the engines remain strong, requiring little more than basic maintenance to keep running. One of the major benefits for mechanics working on these vehicles is the low occurrence of engine failure. Toyota's engineering and quality control make sure that most of their older trucks are built to last hundreds of thousands of miles with minimal problems. While the newer turbocharged engines like the 2.4-liter turbo or the 3.5-liter V6 are more complex, the older generation of Toyota trucks is still one of the easiest vehicles for mechanics to maintain. If you want a truck that's simple, reliable, and low maintenance, an older Toyota Tacoma or Tundra is a great choice. Tesla Model 3, the electric dream. While most mechanics may shy away from electric vehicles, the Tesla Model 3 has become an unexpected favorite. Thanks to its simple design and fewer moving parts, many mechanics find the Model 3 relatively easy to work on compared to traditional gasoline-powered cars. The dual-motor system in the Model 3 is straightforward, and with fewer mechanical components like belts, fuel injectors, and exhaust systems, the maintenance is far simpler. While electric vehicles can be intimidating due to their reliance on software and high-tech components, the basic mechanical work on a Tesla is relatively hassle-free for those who know how to manage electrical systems. Tesla has been praised for its minimalist engineering, and the Model 3 is a prime example. With its clean, efficient design, mechanics don't have to worry about the complexity of traditional engines. Instead of dealing with intricate engine parts or complex exhaust systems, they focus more on the electronics and battery systems, which are typically more reliable and simpler to maintain. Sure, there are some unique challenges like troubleshooting the advanced software and occasionally dealing with recalls, but overall, the Model 3 is still easier to maintain than many gas-powered cars on the road today. The key to Tesla's mechanical simplicity lies in its lack of a traditional engine. The powertrain consists of a few core components: the electric motors, battery pack, and software. Mechanics are less concerned with things like oil changes or engine rebuilds and more focused on the electrical systems. The Model 3's design also reduces the likelihood of common car issues, like overheating, belt wear, or spark plug failure, making it a much more straightforward car to work on for professionals in the industry. Honda has a long-standing reputation for making vehicles that mechanics love to work on, and the Honda Civic is a prime example. Over the years, Honda has perfected the art of simplicity, and it shows in their vehicles. The Civic in particular is known for its straightforward, durable engines that require minimal effort to repair. The 1.8-liter and 2.0-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engines found in older models are favorites because of their reliability and ease of access to components like the alternator, radiator, and oil filter. Mechanics appreciate the Civic's simple yet effective design. The car is predominantly front-wheel drive, and the engine sits transversely, which makes it easy to access key components. The engine bay is roomy and parts are generally easy to replace, with no complicated systems getting in the way. The Civic's simplicity extends to its manual gearboxes, which, though less common in newer models, are straightforward for mechanics to service. Even in newer models with turbocharged engines, the design remains relatively simple, and the maintenance is usually affordable. Another reason mechanics love the Civic is because of the abundance of aftermarket parts and the car's history of reliability. Parts are cheap and readily available, making the Civic one of the most affordable cars to repair. Honda's engineering ensures that these cars can run for hundreds of thousands of miles with regular maintenance, and their low cost of ownership adds to the appeal for both mechanics and owners alike. Whether it's for routine maintenance or a more extensive repair, working on a Honda Civic is a stress-free experience for most mechanics. The Chevrolet Silverado is another favorite for mechanics due to its simple, robust engine design and ease of repair. Many Silverado models come equipped with either a 5.3-liter or 6.2-liter V8 engine, both of which are known for their reliability and durability. The engine bays in these trucks are spacious and parts are easy to access, which makes maintenance quick and efficient. Mechanics love that the Silverado's engines are well built and that many repairs can be done without a lot of hassle. These trucks have been around for years, and their proven performance and easy-to-repair engines make them a go-to choice for many in the industry. The 5.3-liter V8 in the Silverado in particular has earned a reputation for reliability. It delivers ample power and torque, and its components are durable enough to withstand the demands of towing and heavy-duty work. Even high-mileage Silverados with these engines tend to last long with minimal repairs. Mechanics appreciate that the parts for these engines are well-designed and often last longer than expected, reducing the frequency of repairs. Plus, the design is simple enough that most mechanics can quickly identify and fix issues without having to deal with overly complicated systems. Another big advantage of the Silverado is the availability of parts. Chevrolet vehicles, especially the Silverado, have been in production for decades, meaning that there's a large supply of replacement parts at reasonable prices. Whether you're dealing with engine issues or simply need to replace basic components, finding parts for a Silverado is easy, which cuts down on repair time and costs. For a mechanic, this truck is one of the best to work on because it's designed for longevity and ease of maintenance. These cars and engines are the true heroes in the automotive world, not only for their reliability, but for making mechanics' jobs easier. From Toyota's straightforward pickups to the simplicity of Honda's Civic, these engines are a dream for anyone working under the hood. If you've got one of these cars, you can rest easy knowing that you're saving time and money on repairs. Which engine do you think is the easiest to work on? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more amazing content. We'll see you in the next one.